The line L passes through the points -2, 4 and 0, -2. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line parallel to L and passes through the point 2, 3. And find the line perpendicular to L and passes through the point -1, 1. So this is going to be our knowledge about gradients and y is equal to mx plus c. Now we could get the gradient just by looking at the graph. For every one along we go 3 down, which is the gradient of -3. Or we could use this formula, y2 minus y1 is over x2 minus x1. So if we use that, we'll call this one x1, y1, and we'll call this one x2, y2. We're going to get m is equal to y2, which is -2 minus 4, divided by x2, which is 0 minus -2. Make sure you get the signs correct. That gives you -6 over 2, which again gives you a gradient of -3, which is what I said it was. For every one along, you go 3 down. For every one along, you will go 3 down. Right, in order to find the equation, well, we know we've got this point here, 0, c. We've got where it cuts the axis. We've got the gradient, which is -3. We can use y is equal to mx plus c. M is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. So we can write down the equation as y is equal to -3x, -3 being the gradient, plus the y-intercept, which is -2. So there we are, quite straightforward. Find the equation of the line parallel to L, passing through the point 2, 3. So if it's parallel, it also has a gradient of -3 and will pass through the point 2, 3. So again, if we use y is equal to mx plus c, this will be x and this will be y, and this will be my gradient. So putting the numbers in, we're going to have 3 is equal to the gradient, which is -3, times my x value, which is 2, plus c. So this allows us to calculate c. So that's going to give me 3 minus 6 plus c, which gives me that c is equal to 9. So the graph will be y is equal to -3x, so this is a gradient, plus my value c, which is 9. Now, for perpendicular gradients, if one is m, then the other is -1 over m, because the product of the two gradients must be equal to -1. So we've got a gradient of -3, and we've got to multiply that by something to get -1. Pause the video and see if you can think for it for yourself, but this will have to be 1 over 3, because -3 times 1 over 3 gives me -1. The product of the two gradients, which are perpendicular to each other, must be equal to -1. That's the theory. So the line passes through the point -1, 1. So again, using y is equal to mx plus c. So we've got y is 1, x is -1, and m is 1/3. So we've got 1 is equal to 1/3 times -1 plus c. So that's going to give me -1/3. When we take it over there, we've got 1 and 1/3, which is 4 over 3. C will be 4 over 3. So, and use improper fractions in this topic. Okay, therefore y will be equal to 1/3 of x plus 4 over 3, using y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find equational lines which are parallel and perpendicular to a given line. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.